Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another segment of Mushtaq the Musafir. So today I'm going to take you to a small tour of to Kerala, God owns country. Hey guys, so I have arrived at the Cochin International Airport. Backside is the international airport, and I believe me, this airport is fantastic. Look at the car parking area. All the cars are fully covered, and I didn't see this kind of approach in any other state airport. But this seems to be very good, and they are well organized car parking area. And so that is one part of my content. So let's go. I'm waiting for my cab driver. So once he comes in, we'll be heading to Munnar. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I have just reached Munnar, but still the heart of Munnar is around 50 kilometers from here. This is one of the small, waterfalls, which they used to call it as Chillaya, I think. I'm not sure, but still, it's a small waterfalls, but damn good. Let's see what we have furthermore down the lane. And at the back of this, at the front of this huge waterfall, you could see dense forest, and it's one of the wildlife sanctuary by Kerala. So let's see what else we have down the line. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I've got elephant ride ticket, so I'm going to have elephant ride with family. At the same time, I would be having a shower where the elephant will be getting some water from the lake and then showering at us. So it's a new kind of an experience. Let's see what happens. Guys, I have come to an hotel for lunch, and I have ordered Kerala Thali. So in this Kerala Thali, you could see this thing is a pineapple porridge, and this is awesome. And I have too many porridges here, and each and every one is awesome. So this is a typical Kerala Thali, and I am enjoying a lot. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I just reached the Oyo Hotel, and the hotel is fantastic. So had a hectic travel since the morning from the airport Chennai to Cochin, and then from Cochin to Munnar. So on the way we saw some waterfalls, and also we had a fantastic the elephant ride. That was one of the pick of the day. So stay tuned, and that's all for day one. Hey guys, it's day 2 here. So today I'm going to continue stay in Munnar. Hey guys, so I am in the Eco Point now. So the place is awesome. You can see at the background, it's very lush green. It's awesome. But unfortunately, I just am going down here. But unfortunately, I don't see any water here. See, the river is dried. So because of that, I think you won't get any echo. People are shouting here. These guys here are shouting like anything, but we don't find any echo. So this is the background, you can see. But the place is awesome. We have very fresh air, and the greenery is awesome. Now you can hear people are shouting for the echo. I'll catch you in another point. It's time for corn. So I have ordered a fried corn. So let's see how it tastes. So he's making it ready. So let's see how it goes, how it tastes. So this is my piece of corn. So it's awesome. So it's good, yeah. So you could find even the carrots here, fresh carrots. Guys, it's raining here. So I'm in the Matupatti Dam. We have very less water, as I said, and they have opened the dam as well. For some reason, small amount of water is gushing out of the dam. So this is the dam for you. So it's because of the rain, it's heavy traffic out there. So vehicles are lined up. So most probably within few minutes the rain would stop and we should be able to pass on. I am in the rose garden now. So these are the roses for you. Sandalwood. It weighs around might be 250 grams, I'm not sure, but this thing cost 8,000 rupees. And the rose garden, massive amount, right? Hey guys, just reached the tea museum, and the place is awesome. At the background you can see it's a museum, tea museum. And it's a combination of both. We have a tea factory as well here, and see this is a tea factory. So the place is awesome. Look at the view at the background. I just completed my visit to a tea factory, but photography and video was prohibited there, so no videos, no photographs were taken. So it was good how the tea was made and what all the extra stuff that they do. They explained us quite beautifully. Hey guys, I am going to end my day to stay in Munnar. So as a whole, Rose Garden is the pick of the day today. Hey guys, day 3. Good morning everyone. Today unfortunately there is a slight change of plan, so we are directly going to Alleppey. But this time I'm not going to have the splash done by the elephant, but only the ride. And see this is a jackfruit for you. There is a garden here outside the elephant ride, so lots of jackfruits available. It's raining continuously, so I have a jacket ready. So let's see. No, come with me. We'll enjoy the elephant right now. I am in one of the biggest lake in Kerala, and it's a heavy rain here. So you could see it's a heavy rain, as well as the wind is also very much pretty much heavy. So I'm waiting for my turn to get into that boat. So this is the boat where I am planning to visit now. Fortunately stopped. Anna, what is the river you said? Anna, river name? River's name? Okay, the driver said Vempanadu Lake. Okay. So at the back side you could see mango forest. Same kind of a thing what I saw in the Pichavaram in Tamil Nadu. There is another guy fishing here. Hey guys, just reached Alleppey beach. This is the first time I'm visiting Arabian Sea. Hey guys, I have just reached the shore, and you could see the level of tides is pretty much hot. I think because of the monsoon. Guys, I came to an wooden shop in Alleppey. So you can see all those decorative, interior decorative wooden items. So as a point of memory, I have bought this thing. Come on. Yeah, I bought this thing. It's a magnetic wood which I can stick it on my cupboard, steel cupboard. Hey guys, I am going to check into the boathouse. So at the back is the around 10 BHK boathouse for you. It's pretty much big. So let's see how it looks inside. So this is what I have to do. So let's see. Just started in the Alleppey boathouse. It's 10 BHK boathouse. So at the back, he is the captain of the boat. So hi sir. Yeah. Okay. He is enthusiastic. We just had ice cream. The person who is going out there in a small boat, motorboat, is selling some fantastic ice cream. So we had matka kulfi and butterscotch. Those ice creams are awesome. So this is the ice cream. I'm in middle of the ride. So boat housing is going fine, smooth. Climate is also good. It started raining at this point. So it's very cloudy here. I think it will rain for another 30 to 40 minutes. It's very cloudy. You could see at the background. I think they are parking the vehicle now for some reason. I think we will get into another ride as soon as possible. It started raining here. So look at the rain. It's cyclone, I think. So I'm in middle of the ride, and because of the rain we have halted in some place, and there is one Ayurvedic shop here, so I'm going to shop there for a while now. Someone has ordered a fish, so thinking about this one. I think my team probably they will give it to both people and they will make the How much did you bought, sir? 500 per fish. So he says it's 500 per fish. Again, we came for shopping. And I could see this one. This is awesome. Hey guys, that's it from my end. It's day 4, Alleppey Boathouse. So I'm closing my day, and I enjoyed a lot. Pick of the day is the boathouse. So eventually it's getting darker here. So only thing pending is that I have to take my dinner now. And in a short while they will be calling for dinner. So once that is done, tomorrow morning I will be heading towards Cochin Airport, and from Cochin Airport I have to land in Chennai. So apart from that, everything is done from my end. Hope you enjoyed Munnar and Alleppey and different things that I covered in this video. I will come back with another segment of Mushtaq Musafir very soon. New location from different parts of India. So let's join with me. Wait for this next episode. Until then, tada, bye bye.